Hi, everybody. My name is Paige Martin. I am currently teaching in the Penn Manor School District at Central Manor Elementary School, where I am a K to 6 learning support teacher. I've been teaching for 5 years. I taught 1 year at the Columbia Borough School District at the middle school level, and I've been 4 years at Penn Manor School District at the elementary level, which I love. Um, the degree that I'm pursuing is a master's in early childhood with the STEM endorsement. Some of the things that I'm really hoping to learn during this course, I think it's coming at a great time in my career path because, as many of us, we are doing a lot more teaching online and through technology. My school district, particularly, is in the hybrid model, so we come to school certain days and we are online certain days. And as a special educator, it's been a little bit challenging. So I just want to come up with new opportunities to grow in such an advancing field. I also want to improve the ability to guide my students' career paths since there are going to be so many job opportunities in technology, especially for students with special needs. I think that's something that's super engaging for them. So I want to be able to guide them in that direction. I also want to increase my students' problem solving and critical thinking skills through technology and also improve the way that I can deliver assessments overall to my students with special needs. I work with a variety of students for all different grade levels and ability levels. I work with students with autism, specific learning disabilities, um, emotional disturbance label, and a bunch of other unique situations that I have this year. And I think that this class can really help me grow as an educator, especially using technology, which again, overall for my students is super engaging. So I'm hoping to link that into some more assessments as I move forward. So thanks so much for listening.